Morning, back here again with another video. I'm just leaving out the bulls. They're feeding here into the feeder. They're just coming over here now to investigate. So they're making their way over along here now, and I just have thrown in a scoop there to them. That'll keep them going there for 3 or 4 days. So let them bang away. That's the young stock bull that we have. Just have him in with these here, just getting a bit of a pick me up there. Let him get a meal with these lads. But as you can see there, they're happy enough. No major rush to come for feeding or anything. To have it there at their whenever they want. There's no mad rush if you were filling a feeder or anything. It wouldn't flatten you. There would be bowl these lads, well, they'd come in around you, like they wouldn't be that they're bald or anything. But yeah, that's them. Bit of a dreary morning here now, but sure, look, it's that time of the year now. It's not going to improve much over the next couple of weeks. So yeah. This is the spraying setup I have here. It's just an Aldi airless spray pump that I got it out of Aldi. It's a right little job for the money. It's not too bad, and it's great. They're a great tool for putting down paint compared to the compressor type air pots for this crack. Anyway, you get on quicker and you can move on, and will put it on heavier. I'd be lashing the hand there, like you can even see a few runs in it there, but put it onto it anyway. That's not going to matter where these are going, up in the roof of the shed. So yeah, we have them all sprayed there now. More or less everything there for the shed now is sprayed up and all. So the rest of the truss is done there now. That was the last one I was spraying, so that's them all done. Got a shower rain there yesterday evening now, and finishing these off. There will be a few marks in them, but look, it won't be the end of the world. The paint was got down on them anyway. So, and these here then, we're putting on the cross bracings, X bracings in the roof, so it'll be going from there to there, out to each pillar. There's a corresponding bracket back there, you can probably see it there. So yeah, see, all sheds gone up probably within the last few years. Well, 10 years anyway. They'd all have X bracing in them. It used to be a big thing in sheds. They used to say that the sheeting would hold the shed, but sure, I suppose nails, screws coming loose or something can rack after time. So look, we'll put them into it anyway. It's easier to put them in now at this stage than try fix a problem later on. And there's all the pillars done. Pillars are all done here now. There's some of them there for have the cross bracing in it as well, the corresponding ones with the truss, and we have the cleats there for the side sheeting. We're going to maybe put spaceboard in here in this top section, or else a ventilation door that'll just drop in. Not 100% sure what we're going to do yet. And these are the the trusses then for the overhang out over the feeding passage, so have them all sprayed up as well. So with the spraying completed here now anyway. We're still waiting on slats. Haven't that job done yet, so look, it's supposed to be the early in the week anyway, so hopefully we want to get going on this shed like and get standing, because the year's rolling on us there now as well. Yeah, just after getting into the ploughing here and just walking up along, I just happened to spot these K2 dung shredders. They're handy looking size. There's a small one here beside me now. It's a baby one compared to what you'd see, but yeah, cheers, they're a fine looking job. Heavy looking chains in them there. They're fairly heavy now for a small spreader, I'd imagine anyway. Then you have the bigger ones there then. The Fair Monster VOKRE. And this one here. It's an 1100. And the one behind me is a 1600. This has the horizontal beaters. The big discs there underneath it then as well, just to give it a toss. Just on the Valtra stand here now. Just taking a look here. So, then 175. Supposed to boost to 180 horsepower. It's probably the replacement of what we have. But it's a tidy little tractor. Like there's, for talk's sake, there's an N. And that's the T series there, like, which different size of tractor altogether. Loader on this one here. but they're a way bigger tractor altogether. And that's a G135. That's a tidy loader tractor now. Enough back end in her there as well. Tremont hitch. That's the levers. The lever cab. The levers. Not that much electronics on it. Stockman's tractor. Just on the Tapari stand here now. A few different sheep machines. Great job now, Ari. I see someone working there online now. We're not into sheep now at all, but looks a good job. These are the cattle crushers now. That's the same now as the one we have at home. Same thing. That one's actually sold. And this is an air version. Same crush, just air operated. And just work it here off the controls. And open the gate there. Squeeze. Squeezes in and out. Great job. And then the back gate then. It's a good job, Ari. Yeah, they have a nice few bits here. Just on the Nugent stand here. The hoof trim and crate there. Handy size. 2 belly bands in it. The leg lifter there as well, and the W bar here, the kick. Nice size of a crate there. Just on the Dairy Direct stand here now. And Advantage feeders. There's a few changes on them now since I got that one. You have the little yellow tab here to set the stopper there. You can move it up and down, change them along there, and where the I don't know what you call this, where the restrictor goes in the side here is a little tab as well. And you have your settings there then, just for basic settings, and you work it out yourself then after that, but everything else is pretty much the same. It's actually a wider foot on it down here. That's a lot wider, so to stay up that bit better. And a bar there in the centre, strengthening as well. Yeah, pretty much the same. You can That's changed there as well, so you can drop in your scraper. Much easier. So yeah, that's a few different feeders there anyway. That's a bit from them there. It's down here now, yeah, with the Barra Engineering. It's looking at force and pen there for the back of a crush.
I should get faster instead of going right.
Oh, there's another one up there.
That was a bit of footage there that I took there from the ploughing match. We were up there Wednesday, and yeah, wasn't as crowded as I thought it was going to be, or years. It's a long time now since I was in the ploughing match, but it used to be a real battle trying to walk around. But no, it was handy enough, easy enough to get around, and sure the weather was good, which means a lot. But yeah, seeing the few bits I wanted to see, and look, it was a good day. Easy get into it, and well, it was early now and I going in, but easy enough get in, and sure coming out was grand as well. There was no major hold ups at all, so yeah, it was a good day enough now. And sure, just the amount of people that stopped to say hello, like it's a new thing to me, like from the videos, like people that see me and just have a chat, like it's grand, like to see who's looking in, I suppose, what you'd say. But yeah, anyone, was 25 or 30 at least. But look, it's grand meeting yous, and if you ever see me out and about, don't be afraid to say how you're getting on or what have you. Like I have no airs and graces about me. So look at. So that's it, sure, on the ploughing anyway, and sure we'll take a look here what else is going on. So just down here now, just giving a look here at the field we saw down here. So you can see there behind me is a green tinge just coming on fairly well there now. There's a nice bit of green coming across the field there now. You can just see it. I don't know whether you can see it that well in the camera, but so that's it there. Down here now is coming fairly well there, so yeah, happy enough with that now. It's coming on good and well there now. You can see the green tinge across the field there now, so it's has been a reasonably growthy time. There was a fine week there, gave it a boost on, and that's mild enough there now today as well, so it'll keep it going now once it starts. So yeah, seems to be good so far anyway, so we'll go from there. We'll just take a look at the cows here now. Just giving a look at these cows here now. Don't see anything going on, they're all heading off on me now, so but that's them there anyway. So yeah, with these divided out, we have divided out what we see in bowling there and what has scanned earlier, early calving, so we've them divided out to have them, keep an eye on them closer. I'm going to finish this video here, so look at, thanks everyone that has subscribed, and sure, look at, we'll see you in the next one. Good luck.